Okay, it's Christmas 2004. Christmas morning.
Hey, she's opening my gift now.
And it's Rachel's turn to open.
She put it in a bag, then she wrapped it in wrapping
Dad.
paper.
There's the doggy. What'd you get, Rach?
I don't know. I found that in the trash. Oh, pretty close.
This gift is from Jen.
She taped it down. Oh. Yeah. Jen, I'm really not happy with you.
Okay, this is a gift from Dad and me. What's it say?
Purity.
It's a purity ring.
Oh, let me see.
You wanted a ring for your left hand?
Yes, I did. Hey, how come...
Dad's got his cloth feet on.
Yeah.
This is an actual gift that Dad bought you.
The only one.
It's a good one though.
I knew it! A fishy.
Let's see what it is.
A fishy.
It's for your desk.
Fishy.
Alright, Rach, go to yours.
Fishy.
Rachie, what'd you get for your big gift this year?
Say what you got. A snowboard! I told you! I knew it wasn't. I can't believe you thought it was a shotgun.
Did we fool you?
I don't like you. Oh, it's mine. Mine.
More, isn't it?
I know.
See, now you understand why you got your snowboarding pants?
Nice, perfect, new, unstinky boots. And buy me.
Oh, you don't like me.
Okay, Dad, what'd you get for Christmas?
I got an airplane.
Wow, remote control?
Yes. I wish I could control you with this too. Ready?
Like mine, go down
Jump
there.
up and down.
All right. Merry Christmas, Dad.
Merry Christmas, everybody.